You wait there while I find you something to eat. Monster Scrummies, where are you? Aha! I found you.
Yes!
Oh, it's empty.
Oh, don't worry. We'll find something to take my mind off my tummy grumbles. Is there anything else in the box?
Just more recycled sponges.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea! Time to get this place ready for a monster make! Hey! Whoa! Aha! Yeah! Whoa! Hey, look! A monster make idea!
It's tiger bread toast.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
Amazing, Murphy. For this monster make, we'll need an old cleaning sponge, some orange and black card, stickers for eyes, and paint.
What do you want to do first, Rebecca?
Let's start by carefully cutting the sponge in half. Can we have some monster cutting, please, Murphy?
Sure thing!
Thanks, Murphy. Make sure you ask a grown-up to help you with this, because it can be tricky. Now squeeze the sides of the sponge and carefully make 2 cuts in the edge.
Carefully does it.
Now it's your favourite time, Murphy.
Oh, is it lunchtime?
No, it's paint time.
Yes! I love, love, love paint time.
Paint the bottom of the sponge white and the edges orange.
Painty, painty, monster painty. Bum, ba-dum, boom, boom. Hey, 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 hey!
When it's dry, add some brown splodges around the edge.
And a tear shape down the middle.
Oh, you know what that sound means?
It's time for the Fabulous Fluffs!
Let's draw it with a pencil or a pen. Just draw it, it's fun. Do it again and again and again and again. Let's draw it.
Woohoo! Thank you, Fabulous Fluffs. The Draw It song always makes me want to draw.
Let's do it. First, take the orange card and draw 2 tear shapes.
Tears for ears.
You can add some tiger stripes and a curve on both too.
Oh, yes, you've got to have tiger stripes.
Now, on black paper, draw a nose shape and a mouth, like this, and 4 triangles for our tiger's stripes. How about we cut these shapes out with some more monster magic?
Okay then, coming right up.
Remember to ask a grown-up to help you with scissors. It's time to stick our shapes onto our spongy tiger.
Woohoo! Sticky, sticky, monster sticky. Hey!
Now push the ears into the cuts we made earlier.
There's one more thing we need. Stickers!
Stickers! For the eyes. And there you have it.
It's awesome!